How you doing? Glad you're here. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We are Mom, Dad, and the girls. And it's Halloween 2020. And there is absolutely nothing to do. Can't go anywhere. Can't do anything. You got to have a mask on. It's super dark in this car right now. But it's all for a good reason. We are going to...
Where are we going to? Can you guys see what I am? Put it in the comment section.
Really Say hi.
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 We're going to a haunted car wash.
Wait, what?
Nice, let's go.
Cool. Haunted car wash. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I'm a witch.
Here, it's up to you.
And
You hold that,
I'm a
Mama.
bumblebee.
I can't see anything.
A haunted car wash? Don't worry, guys. It's dark and you can still see
All right,
us.
stop right here for 1 second. I gotta grab some cash out.
A haunted car wash.
We'll go get a nice car wash
And then
and see how haunted it is. Are y'all ready?
yeah.
Are you scared?
Is this a prize?
It is.
Let's go, guys. Starting recording in 3, 2, 1. Are you excited?
Let's see where we
Okay,
go.
let's go. I'm recording too, guys. So I'm recording everybody's actions. Oh, I can see Adley. It's dark. It's dark outside, everybody. And we are going to a haunted car wash. I'm so excited. Me too. Whoa, that sounds really scary. Okay, I'm starting to get scared.
Oh yeah, look at the zombies. Now remember, no one can touch you. You're fine, girls.
Okay.
Say hi to the clown. Wrinkles, right?
One second.
Aha, go figure.
We don't need that. It's
It's
no side effects.
Small little things we get stuck in the car wash, right?
It's so spooky.
It is spooky.
What do you think of it so far? Oh, it's so scary, guys. This is awesome.
Oh, look, there's Michael Myers.
Yep.
Okay, close the window. Hi. Hi. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I don't know about this. Is it too late to turn back?
Nope. It's always too late to turn back.
Huh?
Way too late to turn back. Love, look at your window.
Whoa. Hi. Hi. No, because we beat that last year.
It's true.
That's awesome. Oh.
Our girls are so completely different than anything else.
Hi again. Hi.
Hi. Y'all want some candy?
Yeah.
As soon as you pull up, y'all are gonna get some.
Cool.
Y'all want some fun? I like the get-ups, by the way.
I'm only a bumblebee. Mommy's a witch. Yep.
Oh, I can't see
I can't
them.
get mad at that.
Bye.
Bye. See y'all.
Okay, you look creepy now.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Ah!
Hi. Hi.
Happy Halloween, guys.
There you go. It's this Grim Reaper dragging the thing. That's what you wanted to see, right, love? Say hi. The Grim Reaper, right?
Are we going to? Okay, they look creepy right now.
Take it easy. All right, y'all have a good one.
Bye.
Ooh.
He really gets into it, huh?
Right?
Or she.
Are we rolling? We better roll the windows up.
Yep, windows are going up.
You guys can see that?
Big windows up.
I know,
It's getting wet.
You look scary.
Say bye.
Bye.
got all wet. My whole leg's all
Sorry.
soaked.
Guys, if you can't see what's up in front, hold on, we'll try and make it focus. That is a creepy clown. And if you guys did not know something about me, put a clown emoji if you're scared of clowns too.
Are you scared of
I am
clowns?
so scared of clowns. My goodness, you don't
Well,
know.
look over here.
What?
The clown coming up to your window.
I think she saw that one. That's so cool.
Guys, you see that?
This is
Probably-
better than my lightorama.
Can't see anything, guys. What if they're getting in?
Yeah. If you guys can't see, but my legs are shaking really bad. Oh, what's
Oh,
happening?
look on the side of the wall. It says help.
Where? Where? I can't see.
I can't see
It
anything.
said how? I always said how. Wait.
There's someone in your window, love.
Yeah, I see him. Hello, mister! Or Mrs. Whoever you are. Is that a clown? That's definitely a clown.
It's a clown.
You are so creepy. I am frightened of clowns. That's
Oh, wow,
cool
you're-
sound effects. They made it sound like thunder. That's really cool.
Mine's facing
Oh
out.
my goodness, my legs are shaking right now. That's what I have. Oh, you see my candy? Did you give your candy? No, I didn't get any candy. You got candy?
Are y'all even scared? Look around.
I got candy.
Okay, just hold on to it.
Allie got some candy over here. Here, let me have some candy.
Oh, it's the haunted car wash.
So
Are you having fun?
No, you're not serious.
Blood,
having
blood,
fun?
so much
I'm
blood.
recording
Whoa,
you,
monkey! A monkey!
Hi, little monkey. You're so adorable.
That's one wet monkey.
Cute monkey.
It's
I love
car
monkey.
wash monkey.
I would totally volunteer. I would totally volunteer. Uh-oh.
Yes.
What is this?
It's a vampire.
I love vampires.
Why aren't our kids scared?
Because there are kids. This
I
has
love
a
the finger.
long, freaky nose. It's a That's a creepy vampire costume mask.
Oh.
That's good. That was good. I didn't even see him anywhere.
No, me either. There should be over here in a minute.
If anything, he got me because I didn't
Yeah?
see him anywhere.
No?
No, he just came up.
Okay, you're scary. You're scary. That's a Jason. He scared my mom.
No, he didn't scare me, but I wasn't expecting him.
Oh, it's guys. Out my window it says die. It says die. My window says
Oh,
die.
look, there's
Leatherface.
Leatherface.
Leatherface. What?
Woohoo! Oh, I couldn't get him. It's too
Whoa,
dark.
that scared me.
Oh, I want to get him. I want to get their video.
Oh, that was so scary.
Whoa!
Woohoo! I can't. It's
They're everywhere.
so dark. Oh, he's back again.
We're not scared. Hi, yes, 2020.
Not do it all.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah, they went beside you.
Happy Halloween.
How nice of you to buy me a phone.
Say happy Halloween, guys.
Have a good
Have a
Halloween.
good night.
Guys, I hope you scare a lot of other people.
No, it's unfortunately. The haunted car wash. Was it? Did you guys have fun?
It was amazing.
You had fun?
Yes.
I didn't know about the knife guy. Yeah, me neither.
So did anybody get scared?
They had a lot more scare, like people
got
there to scare than I thought they would.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Okay, so nobody scared me, but the last guy, Jason, he startled me because I didn't. He popped up he was down below and he popped up and hit the window. I was like, well, but half the time
Anybody
I
else
was
get scared?
getting the people I got myself.
Yeah.
I didn't get
Inflation.
scared, but my legs are shaking. Just because my legs shake doesn't mean I get
Because
scared.
she's nervous-sided.
Yeah.
What about you, Chukachu?
But I kind of got scared with the guy like crossing the chains or whatever. I've seen him in movies on like the thumbnails, and I've heard stories about him, but I've never actually he's by the way, he's on Roblox. He's on one of the thumbnails.
Who,
I didn't wa-
Leatherface?
Yeah, I didn't want to roll my. Yeah, he is. I didn't want to roll my windows down, but I wanted to hear the chainsaw.
I know, right?
Yeah,
But no, it was really, really good.
I would
really
go
good.
again.
Yeah, not bad. All right, so everybody, I gotta try to get the lights off. What do you think? Fun?
Awesome.
Awesome.
I was gonna ask that. The other one was pretty like it popped up in my window, and it was just like.
Yeah.
All right, so that's a great haunted car wash. If you're in the Lutz area, down off of 54 Bay Breeze Car Wash, I think they're gonna run this to Halloween. Best and the scariest 3 minutes of Halloween 2020 is what they say.
Yeah, but-
It was fun. It was awesome. Car needed a bath. We got it done. And we're at the end of a video. What do we say at the end of our videos?
Hey!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the circle logo right here. Also, check out the newest vlog we just uploaded. If you've already seen that one, we picked out a special one just for you. So go ahead and give that one a watch. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate you watching. At the end of our videos, we always say, peace.